Hello to all the food enthusiasts out there. Have you ever dreamed of having a personal chef in your home? Well, get ready to take the first step towards that unique culinary experience. Do you want irresistible aromas filling your home every morning? Introducing the Involly 15-in-1 bread maker, your kitchen's new best friend. Elegant stainless steel apparence, anti-scalding handle. Inspire your creativity. Non-stick bread pan. Tired of struggling with sticky pans? Experience hassle-free baking every time. Viewing window, lower noise, dual heating tube, evenly distribute heat, 60 minutes auto keep warm. 15 hours delay timer, large LCD screen. Golden and crispy crust. While the inside is soft, fluffy, and full of flavor, making pizza well-risen dough. More than a bread maker. Transform your dishwashing routine with the Kitchen Dish Soap Dispenser. Easy to use, refillable, and detachable for quick cleaning. Efficient 350 milliliters capacity for effortless washing. 2-in-1 design soap dispenser with built-in sponge holding style and order. Modernize your sink with elegance. Simplify dishwashing with style. Eco-friendly control soap usage and reduce waste. Elevate your kitchen game with the ultimate mixing bowl set. 26 chic steel bowls with secure lids, anti-slip bases, and essential accessories. Sizes from 7 to 1 quart, perfect for all your mixing and serving needs. Hermetic lids, and 3 grating accessories for spill-free storage and stylish salad prep. Non-slip silicone bottom for durability and safety. Nested bowls for efficient storage, dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. 6 sizes and bonus tools. Versatility at its best. High-quality stainless steel, dent and corrosion resistant. Dry the interior after each cleaning to prevent water-induced corrosion. Latest exclusive, the Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ. Not only can you create your favorite perfectly blended drinks like smoothies and margaritas, but you can also chop and prep vegetables and mix cookie breads and pizza dough. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System comes with a single serve to-go cup, a total crushing pitcher, and a precision processor bowl paired with a 1200-watt motor base. You also have the single-serve to-go cup that you can blend in and drink from after you've blended your drink. All you need to do is remove the blade assembly by twisting counterclockwise, which completely breaks down whole foods like apples and kale, unlocking the full potential of your fruits and veggies. Frames are designed to take the guesswork out of creating your favorite recipes. There are 3 Auto IQ functions. The smoothie function is preset to blend smoothies with perfect consistency. The frozen function helps you create frozen drinks like daiquiris, fruity slushies, milkshakes, and more. Lastly, the dough mix function gives you the ability to prepare meals quickly and easily from scratch. Paired with a precision processor bowl, you can make bread and cookie dough, pie crust, dips, sauces, and purees. This kitchen system won't stall whether you're crushing frozen ingredients or mixing dough for your favorite banana bread recipe